station. Beep, beep.
I'm stuck.
Oh, no. I'm going through the tunnel. Hey, Daniel, one more minute and we're going to do some work, okay?
I'm stuck.
Oh, no. I'll come help you. Here I come. 1, 2, 3. Off you go. Phew, we did it. Hey, Daniel, guess what? It's time to go do some work. Let's go.
Okay.
Hey, you can sit over here. Hey, great listening. Fantastic. I'm going to sit over here. All right, can you reach? Come a little bit closer. All the way up here. Choo-choo. Good boy. All right. I love how you're sitting. Give me those arms. Wibble, wobble, shake. You are sitting so nicely. This is for you. Way to go. All right, let's have a look at the animals. All right, and I want you to tell me which one I'm looking for. Okay. Oh, hang on. Find a farm animal. You got it. Nay, horses live on the farm, don't they? Give me 5. Good for you. Daniel, you're sitting so beautifully. There's another token. Way to go. This time, can you see a jungle animal? Ooh, not that one. Good try though. Oh, hang on, wait. Find a jungle animal. Yeah, the elephant lives in the jungle, doesn't he? Way to go. Okay, this time, can you see an ocean animal?
Yeah.
Perfect. This is for you. Nice job. The dolphin lives in the ocean, doesn't he?
It's a sock.
You could say my turn.
That's it.
Sure, have a turn.
The sock.
I think it's a shark or a dolphin. Swim, swim. Swim, swim. All right, my turn. Okay, let's keep going. Find the jungle animal. Yeah, a lion lives in the jungle, doesn't he? And he says, "Roar!" He got you. Here I go. We're going to talk about the animals and where they live. Here I go. Jungle, farm, your turn.
Jungle.
Excellent.
Jungle.
Wow, Daniel, you're doing great. Let's keep going.
Farm.
Awesome.
Jungle.
Not quite. Ocean
Ocean.
and